Artista.
We had the right love at the wrong time.
Akala ko si John Lennon.
Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. It doesn't matter if you're gone. I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. And somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter where, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go is just another way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to
Kahit judge ako. Sabay ka, defensive.
Pangita naman.
Oo.
Sige.
Okay, go.
Hello. Okay na. Ang talent ko po ay drawing. Ito po siya.
O, pakita.
Kung makikita nyo, puno po ng nyug yung drawing ko. Kasi po, kaya ako siya napili kasi siya po ay tree of life. Kasi po yung puno na yan ay marami kang makukuha at na makakatulong sa'yo. Pwede kang makakuha ng tubig, makagawa ka ng bubong, at pwede ka rin makagawa ng kahoy. Yun lang. Thank you.
Salamat. Mr. Polo number 2, Michael Palmes.